Hey guys, Michelle here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I created this nail art. So without further ado, let's get started. So first off, I'm going to show you guys what I have, and here I have two magic remover. They are specifically for nail gel. I have not really tried them yet, so when I'm done with my nails, I'm going to create a separate video showing you guys how this works. I have not tried them yet, so I cannot wait. So inside the box, I have this one is called from Beetles. I'm not really familiar with this brand. I just found them on Amazon, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the link down in the description below for you guys to see. I bought this with my own money just to let you guys know that this is not a sponsored video. So of course this box contains 6 different types of nail gel polish. The downside to it is you can't really choose. I believe you can choose 2 different packages, but you can't choose different nail polish color. So yeah, this one is, I saw that they said it was made in China. I was very hesitant at first to use this one, but you'll see in the video later on that it actually works out. And the next one I have here are 2 most important things when you are doing a nail gel, and they are the base and the top coat. And this one is the UV LED nail lamp, and the good thing about this one is it comes with a timer, so it has 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 120 seconds, so that you don't need to put a timer somewhere, and this would automatically just shut off. And over here is of course the plug for it, and let me go ahead and move this box away first. There you go. And here I have a bag full of nail tools, and I'm not really quite sure what you call this individual stuff, but this is of course for your toes, you know, making sure that they don't go overlapping each other, touching each other. Here I have the brush, and the next one is another brush to kind of, you know, you can use for glitter and stuff. And the next one I have here is a nail file. This is quite good, but I usually use my own nail file from Etude House. You can see that in another nail care video that I made. And this one is more on for buffering because it's a bit softer. And this one is the hard one, which is you can file your nails shorter to make it even. I wouldn't use this as a buffer because it's very rough. And here I have a nail oil. Again, this is something that I will not use because I'm not familiar with this brand, and I usually have my own set of brand that I usually use for specific nail care. And here you have a nail cuticle pusher, I think that's what you call that. The same thing as well, you know, to clean the edges of your nails. And of course here we have the nail cutter. Alright, so these are what I have in the box, and majority of these things I'm going to use to do my nails. So let us get started. Alright, so first step is base gel. Of course, for this one, it is very important that you apply this one to avoid your nail polish to fall out or crack. And of course, before you do that, make sure your nails does not have any oil. It is very smooth, so make sure you have to buff it, and at the same time make sure there is no tiny dust or anything, so to make your nails very smooth later on. And so yeah, just apply it carefully and make sure that all of the nail base is only on your gel, because if it falls out on the side of your nails, then it's gonna stick to your skin. So here I only put it for 60 seconds, I believe. You can put it from 60 seconds to 90 seconds. That is totally up to you, but what I did is just 60 seconds. So as you can see here, I was very clumsy and I got a little bit of the base gel on the side of my nails, which leads to sticking to my skin. But it's okay. You can also use a nail file to file this one to make sure that your nails are perfectly shaped, no base nail gel is sticking to your nails. And so just be patient with this step, because this is a very crucial step to creating a very beautiful nail later on. So now that you're done filing your nail and you're satisfied with the shape, the way that it is, just wipe it down, make sure there is no like tiny dust from filing your nail, because if you leave that on your nail, you're gonna leave lumps all over it. And of course, this time reapply colors. So again, carefully place the color on top of your nail. This is the nail gel color, and this time I chose kind of a muted pink, which is kind of good for a neutral look, and I went for this one. Just be patient as you do this, and do not worry about having streaks. If you have a perfectly good nail gel product, it would just glide on a place where it would seem very smooth later on. So yeah, just do that for the rest of your nails. Oh, and I also forgot to mention that make sure you have a wet wipes beside you, because just like me, I tend to go on the side of my nails, which goes to my skin, and I just use my nails to kind of wipe it out. You can use a tool, a very sharp kind of thin object like a toothpick, to kind of like, you know, like what I'm doing here right now, and I'm wiping my other nail with a wet wipes. I'm just lazy this way. I'm sorry. So yeah, so once you're finished, look at it again, make sure it's clean, make sure there's no nail polish on your skin. So here I'm curing it for another 60 seconds. Again, for this step you can either go for 60 or you can go for 90, and of course I went for 90. So I did 60 first and then I pressed 30. And here I will be using just nail stickers. I normally use either gems or anything like that, but for this video I'm just going to use stickers. And here I am just going to place the sticker carefully on my nails. And again, for this step, make sure your nails are already dry. Do not put it on if your nail polish is still wet. So yeah, so I just placed it there and I'm happy with that. And the good thing about having a nail sticker with a transparent paper is that you can kind of go over your nail and see what it looks like on top of your nails. Other than that, it is a perfectly good way to not waste a sticker, because I know based on my experience, I've used nail care sticker that's on a white paper, and it was so hard for me to see if it's good on my nails. I would take it out and put it on my nails and I would change my mind because it doesn't look good on my nails. So sometimes I end up just wasting that stickers and throwing it away because it doesn't stick anymore. So yeah, just make sure everything is even, and I'm gonna do everything for my nails. So that's what I did, and that's what that looks like. So also what I did with this step is that I should have put the sticker and applied the top coat, because I didn't realize how bad the stickiness of this sticker is, if that makes sense. So it kind of go up a little bit on the side, on the corners, but I did that to my other hand. I make sure that I put the sticker and then the top coat right over here, and then cure one nail at a time. So for the top coat, make sure that you're curing it for at least 90 seconds. You can go more. And I'm so sorry. It seems that I was flipping you guys off, so let me go ahead and put this face right here. And as you can see in this part of the video is that I'm holding it with a tiny object, because again, like I said, the sticker was kind of lifting up from my nails, so I have to hold it down because of the mistake that I made. Alright, so I am all done, and this is what they look like. They look absolutely beautiful, and they're very neutral yet so glamorous. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!